Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 21st. First crossword puzzle is published 1913. On December 21, 1913, the world's first crossword puzzle was published in the New York World newspaper. It was created by journalist Arthur Wynne as a new kind of word game for readers. The original puzzle was diamond-shaped and far simpler than the crossword puzzles people solve today. Readers quickly became curious and excited about this new challenge. The puzzle's popularity grew rapidly, encouraging newspapers to publish more. This moment marked the beginning of a worldwide crossword puzzle tradition. Death of General George S. Patton, 1945. On December 21, 1945, U.S. General George S. Patton passed away due to injuries from a car accident in Germany. He was one of the most well-known military leaders of World War II. Patton was famous for his aggressive tactics and strong leadership style. His strategies played a key role in several major Allied victories. Soldiers respected him for his confidence and discipline. His death marked the end of an influential chapter in military history. Snow White premieres in Hollywood, 1937. On December 21, 1937, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs premiered in Hollywood. It was the first full-length animated feature film ever released. The movie was produced by Walt Disney, who took a major financial risk. Many critics believed animated films could not succeed with audiences. However, the film became a massive success worldwide. It completely changed the future of animation and filmmaking. Apollo 8 launches to the Moon, 1968. On December 21, 1968, NASA launched Apollo 8 on a historic space mission. It became the first spacecraft to orbit the Moon. The astronauts on board were Frank Borman, Jim Lovell, and William Anders. During the mission, they sent back famous photographs of Earth from space. These images changed how people viewed their planet. Apollo 8 paved the way for the first moon landing. Elvis Presley meets President Nixon, 1970. On December 21, 1970, music legend Elvis Presley met U.S. President Richard Nixon at the White House. Elvis wanted to support efforts to fight drug abuse in America. During the meeting, he was given a badge from the Bureau of Narcotics. The encounter was unexpected and unusual for a rock star. A photograph from the meeting became extremely famous. It remains one of the most unique moments in U.S. political history. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.